Have you ever been waiting for news, maybe about a job, a project, or something important, and you just want one update? You want to know every time something changes? In American English, we say, keep me posted. But what does that really mean? Today, I'll show you exactly what this idiom means, when Americans use it, and how you can use it naturally in real life. Let's get started. So what does keep me posted mean? Let's break it down. Posted comes from the idea of sharing information publicly, like posting news or updates. In everyday English, keep me posted means keep me updated, let me know what happens, and tell me any new information. The key idea is ongoing updates, not just one message, and information over time. Let's look at some real-life examples of how we could use this idiom. Imagine you're at work. Your coworker is waiting for approval on a project. You say, keep me posted on what they decide. This means tell me as soon as you hear anything. Now imagine you're writing an email. You could say, please keep me posted on any updates. This is very common. This means let me know if anything changes. Now imagine you have a friend who has a job interview. You could say, good luck, keep me posted. This means tell me what happens. Now imagine that you've had a technician come to the house to fix something for you. You could say, keep me posted if there are any issues. This means let me know if something changes. A quick tip for you. It's always a good idea to add please to sound more polite, especially in business. So you would say, please keep me posted on this situation. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Please keep me posted. Please keep me posted. Please keep me posted. Now, if you haven't already seen my video on the 10 idioms that Americans use in daily life, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included a link for you.